Page 28, the G major scale. We've already had the C major scale in this book. G major scale is the same way except it has one sharp. Now remember I said when I was talking about the C major scale that a major scale has a set pattern of whole steps and half steps. It's whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Well, G major, same pattern. So I just start on G instead of C. So it's like here. So it's whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So there's an F sharp. So G major has one sharp, an F sharp in it. That's all. In the middle of 28, the key to the road map, they're telling you where the thumbs go basically. The thumb in the right hand, thumb starts on G. It's the same pattern as C major, we're just in G. And it goes up to C. So in this position to this position. Don't forget the F sharp. So it's, and then 2. Well, that puts your thumb here. That's what they're after. I think of where the thumb goes. And then in the next one, the traveling thumb, again, you just bring the thumb under into this position. Over. The left hand, same thing, going the other way. The thumb is on the D, G and the D. It's not the same note as the right hand. So we go down like they're showing. Don't forget the F sharp. And then the thumb goes to D. The thumb, and again, if you mirror them, that's fine except for the F sharp. You got to watch out because the hands don't play the black key at the same time. Here and then here. Here. But otherwise, you're using the same fingers. And then finally, at the top of page 29, they give you the scale. But I would prefer to use my scale video on G major. Just do the beginner portion, 1 octave up and down. And the right hand thumb is here. Thumb. Just to get this crossing is what you got to get. Left hand, same thing. Cross over with the thumb, 3rd finger. That's all. In the scale video, I have you doing them at the same time. So forth, but you can cover all that in the scale video. And then they give you an ultimate warm-up thingy. I don't care for warm-ups, so you can do that if you want. I'm going to skip it. But that's my spiel on G major scale for now.